be serious.
Right.
The speed that you use here in jailing some of these people, you should use the same speed in jailing, other, politicians,
like
the galamsey. And I'm very confident on your program beyond reasonable doubt. Say me, Ibrahim Ali Amitihe. If within the coming, months, the current Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party, say Abayan Timi and Kanasem ye, and for no uncle and jailina. I state on your bigger platform, say me, Ibrahim Ali, I will resign from the National Democratic Congress.
That's a strong statement.
Oh, yes, and I mean it.
It's in court.
Yes, you see.
And then run a back.
Yes, you see, they are hasting slowly.
We have had cases.
Yes.
Yes. And with evidence, Attorney General be put forward in Nkusifri.
Evidence,
so the statement you are making is very strong.
It's profound. You see, I'm saying this because I know what I'm talking about. And I have already done my own investigation. And I'm here very convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say Chairman Wontumi is guilty. Even though the courts, the competent court of jurisdiction, yes,
but yes,
I won't go in the details. But I think that it is important so because as somebody by Martin Bawumia Martin Pebu am solid evidence.
But there are so many galamsey yes ewo kru imu a mpanimfo ehhehya se mampani kan ye na owo position say they are big men report no. We are here domusoko. Okay.
Yes, I can assure you, say currently, the dockets of about 7 of them are ready.
Wow.
Ghana for na betin semne.
Galamsey for no.
The bigger fishes, smaller fishes. There, you go see yomo.
Okay.
You be yomo in Abafi. They are not the targets.
Okay.
One more to me edit touch and facts here and all those stuff. One more no be the targets. See, now you drew one say Chairman Wontumi. You did it too much. Mo bianco dina baby make us say and a political witch hunting at the end. I am convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say acha by next year no demo so.
Many answer more kaya. Young found to me kwatum because Wontumi you good. I will be good. They want to play. The only say one no they want to play.
Okay.
Wontumi you go dunti wo hese yanchina ntumwa obe resign. Ma they want to play. Ayade black voter nsuo amano ono de oye genuine businessman Wontumi de oye baller person anase wo prapra baller so enti ono de yenjeli no. What kind of Ghana are we living in? Not just ahoya na yan country emre yes give time some time emre de anim na Ghana be the papa.
Mamenko Ali so Ali
Akokwa, I didn't remember the pa. That's a good one.
Akokwa. Me ya branche.
Also ya branche. William say me na danger
sure. Ye into.
Menua poyando. Say anopay ka de kana oso go Ghana for nyina so. Cause some obeke kai no nyina na ka me akoye say ohun say aban yi wo mu ani mu Ghana for e don't think the kra nyina ne say kebe ya Ghana for ento aba entia eye NDC aban said ye be ya wo mu beba abe take over light hun sense ma o kan ho asabe
right
as of late 2024
okay
mu free aban mu muja eka poly 70 billion Ghana cedis in the energy sector. So 70 billion Ghana cedis na muja Osha Esla sika omotimeji was around 45 billion Ghana cedis. Esla energy sector levy womoji sika poly 45 billion Ghana cedis. Womantimi yusu sa sika de bio antua eka womo eburugu ho atimi ahwenyankopo anim before leaving office e bro saka pudo say 70 billion womo na mpesa obetua sa saka no etimo created this mess Namusa Chamu ebe you see this government say blight who says someone that you have no moral right.
But already no.
Yes.
They already government through the finance minister at the 1 CD levy they are to fuel also just for the energy sector see bit me a revamp.
No me tell say. And your previous administration sika pudu a omojeje no 45 billion Ghana cedis no. When me country Ghana for you mudi sika dey.
Okay.
Poya no man ti asiesa. Ka before say ka be sun asu agu Ghana for so no say wo mo hu mo bo na wo mo pack NDC because ya bon no mo kofa mo na no. Wo say ka otimi make sure say sa ka sika dudu na mo pudu na mo ja 70 billion no. Mo je 45 billion na mo ti just ka dey manom spedede. Na mo di let's be serious in this country. But yeah na Aremeyaw say asat now. Ye jai MP before ama womanya no kasa. Eto de bia me dwene ho a I can't simply think far, I can't take madness. Me was thinking shasi ema womo aso hyehyehye a enka amontimi nya no mpono makasa wo krom ha
na samu na tumi kura mo
yes
and
I'm sure say
mo ba nyina mo say I
am very convinced say ora be adwuma na say de esi konwa no na meri awo hu ewo ho because said the normal say call say otie MP for ya na buafu keke say de koso nyina say nya kra ne senkrampo na eyesin amamuo bi a ye de Ghana for Ghana share NPP nsa 8 good years brother na me boy ye de o my Ghana share mo nsa 8 good years say mumra mesom Akufo Addo president obeso obedie nyina an wo ko demonstration hodo na ye ho kire nyina no ekowie Ghana sen busha kasia motete we are moving Ghana's economy from taxation to production ekowie asie no na say covid levy no dey ahwe etrim
but obviously
listen
obviously
yes
nensemo reason
yes
we know said the economy near will see something
yes
Abanya junk but Abanya bone homode am yet me about
yes
but realistically
yes
and someone no working FR1 rent any other staff electricity who are working they are really issues I think we should be looking at how to handle them.
The electricity matter I mean the PRC I mean, this could be technical issue. I correct it because no normal. Obi a complaining.
No, they're talking about the increment. I mean the percentage increment
of what of electricity.
PURC. I think the 9% and 15%.
Oh, no, percentage. That's what I mean, we were in this country to me picture 28% and a certain government.
Yeah, that
so it's normal. It's normal. I mean, upon all this IMF conditionality, you know, IMF. One of part of their conditions. Say unto two mrano. So what sa agreement here. Now for 82 man. Wako chow home. And I'm so person obedio my ebe scam dada Ghana for intino. Was it? Yeah, bre. I think the Ghana for are becoming so discerning. The MPP for politics now they are way beyond that.
If you person much say right now because the IMF conditionality
yes.
Your utility
the government has
yes. So we are hoping say as president can bring say by June or so June July thereabout we're going to exit the IMF no. We hoping say increment because I no there monsan should be answer. I'm hoping so.
Akokwa. Me showbo o fit the case so.
Right.
Mani mo nyamu nya me pa.
Right.
Me Ibrahim Ali ametu fit the case so. One way somewhere around 2027.
Okay.
By that time, na MPP ni bi antime mowa.
Adai.
For what I know as a member of the national communications team meetings I hold wayeko ne hyehyɛ aban edi egu akwemu wase no se boma MPP party no begu si Kojo to Yes, I'm telling you.
National honor.
Me say.
Mweshia.
Yeah, but you money.
Okay.
President Mahamadu small can you say Buslebukawu. And I see Ebekabiyanka MPP as a political party no. Then that's less woman contest. They shouldn't contest. Woman ko say woman. Ah, na money obia sabo Bawumia na mde ba. Hey! No, listen, me say MPP for there. About you be say na problem, but I was shocked. Sir, upon all the men now musumo nyina no. Manya obia say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and I'm Akufo Addo.
But 69 years on.
Yes.
Yehwe Ghana, ye development.
Yes.
MPP ja home 2024. Besi sabri mampanin se mo de tudwa no. Wasa mayen boshe bebre. Waka Women Bank. Say omo final stage eba waka education ho nsem waka trade how you be didwa I betumi akuti wo hwa akwai te say o my hopes enra wutie ni nkasa ye ni mu nyina no a ase o my ye ni daso ne but the expectations of Ghanaians
yes
so far on corruption on I mean the prices of a normal record said yes and some more kind nyina no saying na because very serious issues.
Yeah, let's be very honest with ourselves as a nation. No credit eba kope. Me so a journalist.
Yeah.
Akonya woti so no entimi won kasa.
Right.
But if you want to be very fair, realistic and objective, you will be convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say afia Ghana for edema yen. So we afia Ghana for edema yen. Modern bo abanya bo. In terms of prudent economic management. Ne ahotoso abato Ghana for so bia ho atodo no. When they compare the entire 8 years of the National New Patriotic Party, we Wontumi fan to humane ye.
Ideally,
I admit. Just a moment. Maybe hold on. You see, I admit yes, there are challenges. They are. Who are those criticizing? No more about my MPP for. Mufri abemu muja mubo bosia puduo 700 billion Ghana cedis. Mube toka 122 billion Ghana cedis. Mufri as of late 2024 that your public debt ending up almost 700 and something billion Ghana cedis.
No doubt about that. In the Fourth Republic.
No, I'm just
under Akufo Addo.
Yes.
Yes. So we agree.
Yes. So let's remind them so that they can stop talking.
But we expect
in the history of this country. No, I'm not sure they are yet. For now, let me tell the challenge, the problem they created. Domestic debt exchange program. Okay.
DDP.
Yeah, man. Woman sika, woman ya juma several years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Woman kind of na. Mo said adaya. Woman sika was a sefata woman. Mo fam woman. Can we bring those lives back? 2021 Auditor General Report. Almost 12 billion across all ministry departments and agencies. Oko Audit Service 2021 report. Contract for sales scandal in 2029. Okay, Papa CEO, no selling, government contract. Otchere Kalawela no was otchere.
No design.
CEO
is Omodoso.
PPA CEO, former CEO implicating something like J.
Okay.
What does he? So all this mess are creating. Money you are there like you feel like someone creative. Like no air kasa. As I'm talking to you now, Ghana we are here for say about prudent economic management. Ghana we Ghana see change. And now no kasa akwa before
but let's focus on the working.
Yes,
we agree.
Yes,
and no matter on the part of the MPP, which we condemn.
And so let me come to what we have done since we came.
But Mami Kasai, an achievements, independence.
What's he say?
He talked about resetting and normal maye. One, he talked about 24-hour economy. or didn't she go
yes
factually yes. Policy I'm can say more the beba
yes
69 years on one suma be sum just a year any ye kon saying Women Bank my boss. I've talked about so many things. I want you to center it because they're going to say, I say, yes, sir,
I know. Yeah, but see, I'll come there. It's part of my submission,
right?
But let you understand, say, over all the economic indicators are Ebeboa, Amadis Women Development Bank, 24-hour economy,
right?
The other promises are buying a year. You're setting grounds no dada.
Okay.
So what I say, and then I'm no can say inflation 3.3%. And then Saturday I'm no can say inflation 3.3%. Somewhere around December 2024, I brought on Bufre Abemo.
Yeah.
Now inflation 23.8%.
Yeah.
She said they asked to say who? Tiene we better higher propaganda. The economic indicators will expose you. Your maybe Hana inflation was somewhere around 50-something% under the leadership of the economic, Brexit. And then her exchange rate. And then her unemployment rate. Mufia Bemune 14.7%. And the unemployment rate as of this today, Saturday, 13.0%. What would I say? So Fapem President Oman the State of the Nation address what catch Ghana phone now say they say 24-hour economy so much here to be okay and check will roll this policy out and I no man I promise yes say the bebano the baby no man no be ama man day and a day aye Timothy Ghana for say NDC enye krana na MPP ye boy home day and said there are challenges but I don't think say challenges are currently your alternative, which is the MPP.
Right.
Because I'm almost saying, Dr. Bawumia, they say, government. What were they able to do apart from free SHS? Oh, I'm asking you.
Oh, so more yeah,
Akwan. Now you buy what I say
agenda 111.
Say free SHS come the buy no crime, but oh, now
SHS
say me na me student senior prefect.
As answer say.
Me say I know me a senior prefect. They be. Now me a central regional SRC president. Former. You rolling out this policy, no?
You
rolling You rolling out this policy, no? Yet you answer friend. Former school prefect, former DD. See uncle Domo so come here say the program no say running. Yes. The records are there. Me community school agri memorial. AM is Zion Secondary School. Me real school mu hono me swing.
And then
we class bako near tinya packing kwalasa sadi class to contain 50 students the chrome 300 students they were the same class now teacher they made that there and then because of free SHS they were buying questions for the students. African Education Watch and other people were complaining about it.
Okay.
And then KNUST, a lot of people inside KNUST are more AA students, Okay. They don't know their left from right. I can come from Omunya Day, one more empty me.
Right.
So what I would say is Ghana for Abenya Abayhu.
Okay.
The government actually mean well for the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Talking about these forest reserves, let me just quickly rush there. I think the punishment was too harsh.
Okay.
No, I think we shall share 8-10.
Yeah.
I can't 3 minutes.
20 cry. 20 no cry.
No, say 20 minutes.
And I can't 3 minutes.
Okay, fine. That's the member on top of. Look at the forest reserves are almost 3 years here. Added here. Added. Chairman, I want to make case idea actually. How many months in it? How many years in it? Multimedia the seconds actually will be because of say work hands. You see, we should be serious.
Right.
The speed that you use here in jailing some of these people, you should use the same speed in jailing, other, politicians, the galamsey. And I'm very confident on your program beyond reasonable doubt. Say me, Ibrahim Ali Amiti. if within the coming months, the current Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party say abayan timi anka na sem yie amfa no anko mo yan Jáiled na I state on your bigger platform say me Ibrahim Ali I will resign from the National Democratic Congress.
That's a strong statement.
Oh, yes, and I mean it.
It's in court.
Yes, you see.
And then run a back.
Yes, you see, they are hasting slowly.
We have had cases.
Yes.
Yes. And with evidence, Attorney General be put forward in Nkusi.
Evidence. So
the statement you are making is very strong.
It's profound. You see, I'm saying this because I know what I'm talking about. And I have already done my own investigation. And I'm here very convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say Chairman Wontumi is guilty. Even though the courts, the competent court of jurisdiction, yes, but yes, I won't go in the details. But I think that it is important so because as somebody by Martin Bawumia Martin Pebu am solid evidence.
But there are so many galamsey yes who crew mu mpanimfo ehhehya se mampani kan na o opposition say they are big men report no. We are here domusoko.
Okay. Yes, I can assure you, say currently no, the dockets of about 7 of them are ready.
Wow.
Enche, Ghana for na betin semne.
Galamsey for no.
The bigger fishes, smaller fishes there. You go see yomo.
Okay.
You be yomo in Abafi. They are not the targets.
Okay.
One more to me edisi touch and facts here and all those stuff. One more no be the targets. See, na ye drew one say Chairman Wontumi. Yedele tuma mo bia nkodina bebe mbeka se na political witch hunting na die. I am convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say acha by next year no demo so.
No, that one you cannot say that because emra eneko a court in India.
And I make sure say with the evidence at hand. I have no doubt.
But you are not the Attorney General. You are not in court.
But that's why I'm putting pressure on them. That with this evidence, no one my evidence in court.
You are not.
Then you're incompetent.
Debbie, you are not a judge.
I'm not a judge.
Yes, so we can't take that. Who me? I can say who expectations and they say inquiry.
My expectation are extremely high, 99.999%. I expect extremely high, 99.99%. The Chairman want to be there.
Okay.
Shama you to madam.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, sir, and yeah, call you soon as scapegoats.
Okay. Thank you. Ali no. Ibrahim Ali, a NDC communications team member or national communications team no and our chain and Kano. Paul.
Akufo. No pay the medasi papa. My mention party for say Ebraso say party adwuma ya year over the period nyina no ye say ye trotro wo mo ye call mo so dani den nyina din e wo buku a ye de amaye nim me gina mo platform so aka kire wo mo say o mo hwe nyame anim na o mo ma afoforo a wo mo to about same polling station wo no nipa over 500 people no omo din embrem so omo ye MPP fo a omo de book no esie omo de ahihye omo toam ofre no anu nam ha wo se ha yes say Mountain polling station ho na amanfo entimi metro omo din say omo ye MPP fo a yes re wo mo ye ma ye party ni nya akono if we don't write their names they will punish us during the elections. Yes, but yet then they become part of us. Yeni omuni ebe nante na omato omaba amaye. Nipa no o expect say obehye u t-shirt. Nemo utwo ni din wo buku mu de a ompese wo betro. Me tena wo free the case so asre wo mo. What you say omumwa na process no from 1st of March ebe wie 31st no ye be wie na yenya nipa dodo no a and I can assure them see yenya even half of the people omwo a police center or say omo ye MPP fo a we have won the elections in advance. Enya dia elections event, it's a process we nyina ka ho bi tie best stress omo ma saade no enya adwuma na emoa ye nyina akokwa efa Iran ne Israel ne US insensem no de minua Salam waka and he has that can say flow ewo ho watch history and whatever, and I always commend him on that aspect. I would me Emma and Chechemu no nyamisha no papa na me mesu so aka because there are 2 or 3 countries we nyina no omo might na omukura no masa ye mkura bi o ja say ye mkura bi kura because player timi dane no ho wie mu ya ye bombo suma ya suma se enko play no a dane na dodge na ye se ni ade ye die eduru akrofo mu na etitoye enti me ka manasisu se sene ekoso no me die me ko head makota asumasi ana obenten echi ko kana man ko kan yi a ebekọ akofa asem abreye nyina na matise okuje tozo besebesi na won kana no ntum kura because so ko ka bibi se kim na ya hweye ne ade ko ka ho sesi ya ese Ghana ye to kura no eto 1 2 3 na sene esi abe no wo be je to nkura to form o ti ase plane afa ni ekoto helicopter 4 ni ato 2 amoma pani ye de wa ha kura enya adwuma ni atimi de akoko o ti ase B2 ne wa ya okay ebi wo Ghana ha o ti ase enti no eno de ye besre na medi twato no minimu se entoko ekoso wo ho no Ghana ne Middle East wone muwa entimi enya nsusu bia we so
anya na Ghana sojafu bi akoka omo I want to hear
mentie
enra sojafu epra edaso yi omo base ne jadem won say ye through Facebook ejadem Ghana ni soja ni bia press
me can say sa economic can say influence betima buy so no ba ye soja for ho akande a ye besere se omo hwe omo no mo ho ntomo na mom se ehun sunsuaso no bema ye petrol ana e bibia akofom de entimi ensi because
it possible
me pa cho de di kan to eye adwuma mebo yase do even combat you say wan obo adwuma den o ma pani kura kan to has started working
by a year up to 45,000 per
die tie bia ye nanu wo Ghana anyesa yese to crude etimutu ya na mde amatofo na o ma nane ni akoto ya de etinya de benya susu aso obia wo obia so eti ye no midi ebe konko
ba import bebre ba refined fuel de
munyai
de ye ne hanen so yen
me say munyai ni en concentrate se to no ne bebie mu ayembiem anati ase actually ye bebie ma yembiem
ba se nye mprempre wuntimi nye ni sisia ma
ye to ye dey
dem make say ebe ye adwuma no start Cries build another factory and I say sa to yi nature ibia I mean it will take some time ibia a year kra edino mprempre ye ntokwa ikoso a oil no so e ko nanim easy kra extra $80 per barrel no ye ne den
me say when the willpower is there you bet my here
you bet me in about 3 months
na China for almost the 17 or 19 days esi abro say 59
okay
na de na Ghana kwa de ka bibia na ya mudendende NDC ba bibia no possible money ba
wo industrialization ni infidi nyuma ni ade China ko na ni mu chen ye nti ono ka so ye bibia say
eti ene ya so kan ya de ni anyinya o masemwe ananti de kana say ye compare because we want to get there na see etimi compare no makọ manim dodo kra de na etie ye de
ba enya realistic
na me say yan compare ni etimi focus say ana say yan etimi target say nkofo de ye ko bia ene ye tie ye de denti na we say discuss bibi kra
asesisi a opeso unya sika se your friends despite ene kwesitwum mu ne wo mu a stafo a ebo mu din okuru mu ene Ibrahim Mahama mo ne nasefo na opeso unya sika
ene ne obubo bodi o
e be take you time ana mebo a obepa
ena me say ye ntimi form nka asemo dia ene na ye den What did they can say? They started somewhere. But yes, started so near me say willpower no wa kokwa. You pity my oh dear my na some doors.
Okay.
What I say, nti run ni we nsem no de me mesusu aka because ya to ye adwuma mampani aka ye dana se combat nyame ncha no wonyere no ho combat wo nhye bi mfa bi nhye atare ne ne pabo nya
e say de ni nyina da no
so se ne be ya
e wo to ho.
Yes, because we are told say some magic bi and a president ama petro abafom enye world market price bi ani ade joma ama aba papa aba petro ayefo wo ha wonko ba bia ne yire da so ye lodina ne ba share fu ne ayi da so ho what you say ba da so to akonwam enti bibia ne ho asesa bibia so sesa e be continue enjoy petro ye 10 cities ne 11 cities no ma membra owura ya ye say akrantienti ya chi na tumi hwe me ra ho from Saturday na enanopa me say etie sa story no enam so a wa frɛ sa forestry PRO no so no me ra ho mo and me bisa me ho say o man be kura na tim we edie be pa na ekoso a che say oni bie mo broni ena de bia emra edino adan uti aze hwe de to kokko akuafo
na nas weni atata ni so
me so ankasa nya se mani no tae a time me from market say me dia we ho from Saturday sa na me de ba studio asa na me bedu ha masati asemu a akoso no
afra
na minia ekasa ye no opa kire se ase MPP for the yato abam ya lusu eti entomrem emien kasa we have no moral right to talk
osimuntumrem
send assertions are making no chese ense kasa kra he's even sitting here saying say hu ni enti MPP for that so nenam ho a yen chichi yen tumu yen ye de ben de mu de ye so
I don't mind me.
What you say? A quiet omode afaso no akokwa enswa.
Eno ne de hin omo ye.
What you say? Several MPP for quiet afaso kochi wo mu fie. Bank of Ghana governor cry bo run fie. Ye be wie na 10,000 ayira wo dan mu ho. Ye call finance minister. If you abra ye nim say oni ho no. Ni ama ne ma aye match pass wo dem. Wa hu. Ni fie ho ye line up ne ma. Ani ade what you say? ADC of Dr. Bawumia or police in you. What you say? You go bully die a search ni fie ade o di Bawumia. Master, I can count number of people. It's Obama Pokua say or the idea to the Facebook keke. You go bully pro. E fa no koi. Say o me chire munchire police for e kwan of us or this ade no to ni Facebook. Ade video wa reposti. Minia enti de omodi aye no pa kire se ye de yen kabin na kokko awudi adanse se with the energy sector there one more contract almost sign ye from 2012 ebesi 2016 I think the World Bank another World Bank friends and leader cracker bi say Ghana energy sector no contracts ahodo a aban na wo ho that period no assign to ho no ena ama oman no enyira ne naso because within a year no we were paying like $500 million because of contract take or pay agreement akokwa me feel say udi sa adanse no what you say and in all things no ya ba bewie ama 8 years of Akufo Addo you are here you witnessing a constant supply of electricity meboa entino minia cannot say a car ye betu ye no ye the justification am ye the private Ghanaians and Ghana for of electricity
but so mo kono so car muja enya
no mo de omuja to on contract bonia omudi akato ho esa sign contract boni it a car coupled with a car monthly utia masa emien ko ho but ya manu anya excuse Yema constant supply of electricity. Mubaye abapapa is expected to say and never back from amamenu mienu yate swaba ananya sa
but say omo no mo ye bia so omo atete so kakra
yate electricity ni so
me kan omo kabo any ade a okaso omo boka tu e na no say Independence Day previously na 15 million is almost 1.5 pen almost spend day na no dey
omo file RTI for last year there aba
and the fellas aka ho asem say
and then we go last year na yeah see RTI yeah file within 14 days be kan ho asem che nipa no watena ho from last year and we bu last year 15 million ko say what they say
1.5 million
1.5 million and say and no mo dey to there because soldier for me no mu say mu ye president say no 1.5 million ananya sa mu kwa hye dem no mu kwa mu di wo Jubilee House nkwa no 1.5 million
abasa ho buy
the buta ho ne mo de coke ana fanta ana ka banku ba
mo be che nuane o
eti nyina be di bi enti mu kwa ko hye dem edi sa 1.5 million ne nyina ya ntra fie enya sa kokwa enkoda now Mubaye aban papa is expected say nka mo betete niema so. I'm sitting here telling you say me niate ha was a national communications officer or whatever part of their NDC team. On can tell me which part of IMF agreement and the catcher yes including you we are same training a catcher yes say you better to light bill every 3 months. On can unproven chame. Because yate wa mama twitwa san trono atu Ghana for team on can tell me say which part unproven tell me say which part of IMF agreement and the catcher you say every 3 months bia no you better to like be ma mututum and the IMF for no so na catcher me say mu first can go top pad students IMF for no and the catcher me say mu go first over 293 million and go ton ko nkete IMF for na kan sa asem no chemo
na ede na mo de call IMF
minia IMF di enti na IMF ho IMF eba because of issues and obia nim Russia Ukraine war eba ye oti ase covid de ni die bebo mu ansa na no so eba se no nso nya justificate we yansem troni na se wo unje no so ntumu a wa wasem because the current president Kweku Agyarko can be say yenya effect e wo sa niam no so eba eno na ma sa inflation ni ade ni economy ni nyina crash ya wo ko for remedy. It won't be some say then you call yen and one year call several times. And there are reasons why I will be back, baby. What I say, there's a Kusian period. To a period, and there's a BB Nessie and a Kobasa. Because I quite remember, Cries, Obi Catcher said, MPP for a day, I call IMF. Now, why in a Bebka about Beji free? Do you get my point? It's me stress, sir, Adiano, our cano, Mususunka. Because there's nothing like that. What I say, more person moto ade no mu a monka no kre mo buy 28% and am obi esu etietemu na are ho say ebeba ne sa akokwa hwe Ghana yesi enya independence and what is there to celebrate? What is there to celebrate? Abra ni pasitrem cost of living kwa na ekosro akukwa material catchrew eniema enkoyie obi akrantienti ene ya chinatu chese Independence Day ni pay weyire mu okoku akrantienti nipa no won Independence Day ni bi ene koku akuafo ensu bobena se wo musika koku akuani no akukwa they also did 3,600 a year of our bag who crano na brab what is saying. Mese miami ko se hwiyo so e ko hwe se ne akuafo ni sitie papa ba ku bechi a me no mesa me nsam sei nsam sei a wodi che mbisa ne se wotimi di nsa no hohoro n'anim anopa wotim se wa yadwumaden wa bua makoko no abedu ba bia edu nipa nkoton kekemra no a wa tini sika so se hwi na de odi 36,000 3,600 no na brabo te sen na kampese 2,500 kuku akuafo so so we hear members of parliament a minority no and then said from better parliament omu na mwura mu ni kuku akuafo esu e pa ba yi chaw akokwa omu pa ba yi chaw se omu hu omu mabo ba bia sika wo biara akokwa mu hwe na mu tia kuku akuafo ka and I will share internet or be a soon prepared. I would channel doso. Na kokwa Saturday metia. O man penny Ibrahim Mahama.
Ade wusu.
O man penny Ibrahim Mahama. Wako aeroplane. Wako aeroplane.
Say play or done.
Wako aeroplane. Abetram.
Na so a businessman.
We a businessman and then we are to say. And then we are to say. Obi akro won yemu bi adwane bi ko ye chutu nkro ehifo na Ibrahim Mahama wo ko wonu akro no ga ehifo no want to kwan koye na se ehifo and want to kwan koye se wo ko he awokoto play abekuafo su na wo de capacity ni kro fa bu nia na bosia
Ibrahim Mahama nya aban
wonya aban ajeni nia na president capacity ni kro bu nia na bosia eye ya waje na kuafo ho towa mo unya be ka cha so de ba ko da cha Ghana na anu adujama accident CCA ada ni afa play nu mo akofo wo mo akọ
police
o ti ase accident CCA wa adujama ada ni afa play no ami afa ko number be no dija ya ye mfa mfrele ni afa play nu kofa wo mo ada na ye Ghana sa 1 year in office what ba control play. So better abroad members of parliament and namu koko growing areas epa akuafo echewso munya botre no be hwe ne aban na kasa di sika abrɛ wo mo na wo de wanya bia koto aeroplane o maya yetimunie obi na akrantienti yede na koto mu no o ti ase ye nyina yesu ye pawo chaw
mo report issue mame
wa o ti ase yesu a pawo chaw se boa what you say? Na ye hu toye kakra. And what is there to celebrate? Obiasu ukwa ejura, ye say bro emo egu ha, ye nya tofu onto.
Is this what say?
Kashu ya tete so. Minya nipa eso, nipa bre. Na when you be control play betrem.
Akokwa say watoni one ni old one no. Obi yare Ghana na yedin be kwa mano ne.
Me say number be no de agya wo.
Yem found
friend pado premise bobo number no. Na me to Ghana nyina wo bi nya accident adu jamadie na kia friend wo makofa no ho agbese yakọ. Bobo number ne wo di ja e kire no. Ana ya to NDC fo nko ho se wo mu de wo ntira mu nie fo mu nko mo yare a. Me po me kwa kwotira sa plane ni mu bi. Obi o wa se hwiyo so kokko farmer no sa plane wo ba fu bi.
Okay.
Ada na mama ya nia ya ho Ghana ha sa. Ada nia ya. Ada boni na MPP ene Ghana fo aye. Ghana for dear bonnie ye. Say, when you think $70 million, no, when you trouble near the Bosia. Fabonia was got pressure than so. And I just a net as a year can have my penny for some almost chassa. Your chassa no names and a chia ampa indeed. Because I'm saying, son will start here no was sweaty. No one near fra. Ya can be beer won't take my penny for say. The word Casano or Nimsen a Chiampa. Crady Equosway. I will be a few members of parliament nam a patcho. A Kweku Forson, President Bama, Shat, Natsika, 18 manner who nipa on tono. What the Oko to play? Mini Bibi America.
Hey, poor Yandoh. A moment tissue.
Now, Akokwa, Mini Asamo Kaya. Young found to me quotum because won't to me you good. I will be good. They are what to play. They want to play the only say one of them want to play.
Okay.
Who to me you go to one has a yanchina to moi or Resign. Madiawako to play. I had a black voter nsuo ama no ono de oye genuine businessman untumi de oye baller person anaso wo prapra baller so eti ono de yenjeli no what kind of Ghana are we living in na just eye ahoya na yan kahwe emre you say give time some time emre de anim na Ghana be the papa
hey for Yandoh ena atenenka no MPP communications on Edano Asante Bediatuo.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.